Hey there, Millionaire Advices here, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can earn big money online as a broke beginner. I know how tough it can be to make ends meet, especially if you're just starting out in the online world. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best ways to make money online in 2023, even if you have no money to invest upfront. So, if you're ready to start earning big money online, keep watching. The first method I want to share with you is freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online because you can get started with absolutely no money upfront. All you need is a skill that you can offer to people, whether that's writing, graphic design, or social media management. There are plenty of websites out there that connect freelancers with clients, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. The key to success with freelancing is to find a niche that you're good at and focus on building up your reputation and portfolio. The second method I want to share with you is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale that you generate. Again, this is a great way to make money online because you don't need any money upfront. All you need is a website, social media account, or email list where you can promote the products. There are plenty of affiliate programs out there, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, so find one that fits your niche and start promoting. The third method I want to share with you is online surveys. Online surveys are a great way to make a little extra cash in your spare time. There are plenty of websites out there that will pay you to take surveys, such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. While you won't make a ton of money with surveys, it's an easy way to earn a little extra cash. So, there you have it, 3 great ways to make big money online as a broke beginner. Whether you choose to freelance, do affiliate marketing, or take online surveys, there are plenty of opportunities out there to earn money online. The key is to find a method that works for you, focus on building your skills and reputation, and be persistent. Making money online takes time and effort, but with these methods, you can start earning money even if you're broke and just starting out. So, get out there and start making money online in 2023. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.